idea about various types of grammatical rules. Otherwise, we can't make a sentence properly and we can't speak English spontaneously and very perfectly. So, both of the two terms, grammatical rules, and at that same time, we need vocabularies. And for an examples, if we want to say, if we want to cook any dishes, then what things we need? First of all, we need some materials, some components, and the second one is the making techniques of any dishes. So, if you have only vocabulary, you can't make a sentence. So, we must have grammatical rules. So, both of the terms